And tragedy struck at the heart of humanity's largest religious gathering as a devastating stampede claimed 30 lives and left nearly 90 injured at a sacred Kumbh Mela festival in India's Prayagraj. The stampede took on a day when over 750 million people took a holy dip at the holy Sangam waters in the city. The incident unfolded in the pre-dawn darkness as thousands of devotees surged towards the holy rivers, trampling other pilgrims in their path. Now, confirming the death toll, the police says 25 people have been identified, while 5 others are being identified as of now. The eyewitnesses say crowds surged for a dip at the confluence of the 3 rivers that is considered particularly sacred.
जाम में लगे हमके नहाने के लिए जाने तो बड़ा भीड़ हो चुकी है भीड़ से मने मम्मी बोलल कि जल्दी आपस हो जाओ जैसे आपस होतन के आपस होके में सारा हम रेडी मार के सफा हम का चार दे ऐसा के दाते
और कौन आपके फैमिली से
14 फैमिली हम लिखे 14 फैमिली में 4 हम दी 3 हम दी नहीं खे इनी भिड़िया जैसे आइतो के सब एक कम रहला हम साइड में रहली वो जौन आवत और नहाए हमन के नहा जात रहली वही में इन्होंने मोटरिया के फेरिया लेके गिर जाता रहे अच्छा उड़ावे
In the wake of the tragedy, the Akhada saints called off their traditional procession, while many outfits also calling off their holy dip. Messages were put out urging people to bathe at the bathing ghat near to them, which is nearest to them, instead of heading to the Sangam nose. Now, Prime Minister Modi condoled the deaths, assuring all help to the victims as well.
आज की चुनाव सभा को संबोधन करने से पहले मैं महाकुंभ में जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है उस हादसे में हमें कुछ पुण्यात्माओं को खोना पड़ा है, कई लोगों को चोटें भी आई हैं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं।
Now, just for sheer scale, the congregation is mind-boggling. The expected 400 million pilgrims dwarf the combined populations of the U.S. and Russia, creating a temporary metropolis of faith that astronauts can witness from space. Now, according to belief, Prayagraj, the holy site, is situated at the mystical confluence of the Ganges and Yamuna rivers, where the mythical Saraswati is believed to flow invisibly. Humanity's largest act of this spiritual devotion unfolds over 45 days. Mahakumbh is a spectacle of a lifetime. At dawn, ash-smeared seers, their dreadlocks coiled atop their heads like sacred crowns, lead the devotional charge into the holy waters. Now, these guardians of Hindu traditions, many who have spent decades in deep meditation, brandish ceremonial tridents and serpent staff scepters. Their thunderous chants invoking celestial deities echo across the vast tent city that stretches across 4,000 hectares alongside the riverbank. The ritual bathing has profound spiritual significance. Each immersion in the sacred water is believed to cleanse sins accumulated over lifetimes, with the merit manifold during this auspicious period. Holy men emerge from the frigid waters, their bodies glistening with river sand that they apply as a sacred mark of purification, their eyes reflecting the divine ecstasy that draws millions to this ancient gathering. As authorities investigate the tragedy and strengthen safety protocols across the 650-kilometer network of temporary roads, the spiritual fervor remains undiminished. The Kumbh Mela stands as a living testament to an unbroken tradition spanning millennia where faith transcends human limitations and the material world briefly touches the divine.